AI-generated videos just got too real. Is this the end of filmmaking? What if I told you, this entire scene was created by AI? No actors, no cameras, no film crew, just pure artificial intelligence. AI-generated videos have just hit a whole new level, and it's shocking filmmakers, YouTubers, and Hollywood alike. Some are calling it the death of traditional filmmaking, but is that really true? Is AI replacing filmmakers? Let's find out. Just a few years ago, AI-generated content looked like a glitchy mess. But today, it's creating hyper-realistic video scenes at the click of a button. From OpenAI's Sora to Runway ML, artificial intelligence is now capable of generating entire movies, without a single human behind the camera. Big studios and YouTube creators are already experimenting with AI-generated content. The question is, will AI completely take over filmmaking, or will it become a tool that enhances creativity instead? Why this is a big deal. How AI video tech is disrupting Hollywood. Is AI a threat to filmmakers? The film industry is built on creativity, but what happens when AI can generate actors, scripts, and entire scenes instantly? Imagine a future where you don't need expensive actors, set locations, or even a film crew. AI could make filmmaking cheaper, faster, and more accessible than ever. Even top AI experts say we're moving towards an era where AI can produce blockbuster-level movies with zero human input. Will AI replace filmmakers or YouTubers? Super, will YouTube creators be replaced? Super, the AI content boom? Let's be real, AI is already transforming YouTube. Many YouTubers are using AI to generate entire videos automatically. From AI voices to full animations, content creation is changing fast. But here's the truth. While AI is making content creation easier, it can't replace human creativity. The best YouTubers and filmmakers aren't just about visuals. They bring storytelling, emotion, and personality. What's next? The future of AI filmmaking. So what's the future of AI-generated videos? Are filmmakers doomed? Or will AI become the ultimate tool for creativity? AI won't replace top storytellers, but it will change how films are made. AI will make content creation faster and cheaper. Great news for indie creators. The best YouTubers and filmmakers will learn to use AI as a powerful tool. AI is here to stay, but it's up to us to decide how we use it. So, what do you think? Will AI take over filmmaking, or will it just help creators make better videos? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. And if you want to stay updated on the latest AI innovations, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're just getting started.